Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H. In this video, we are going to take this truck and make it look like that truck. All we're going to do is remove some logos. That's it. What you're going to need for this build are some Q-tips. You can even use a small rag if you have one. Some lacquer thinner and or acetone has been my two preferred mechanisms. All you need is to put a little lacquer thinner and or acetone on a Q-tip and then just start gently wiping away that color. This is really simple to do. Doesn't take a lot of effort. Just be careful that if you have other colors on your pickup, like right here, that little silver decal or decoration there, if there's any other colors on top of this, you will wipe them away with this lacquer thinner and or acetone. It will take up all those other details that you may not want to remove. So just be careful when you're using it. That's really the idea. So here I've taken off big parts of the logo. Now I'm just going to go back and clean up all the residue that's been left over. And just like that, we now have a solid black pickup. There might be some residue left over. You can hold it up to the light, change the angle so you can see different parts of this and how it has come together. You can always go back and hit spots that don't look quite right in the light. You can touch those up as you see fit. This paint on the cab does seem to stick really well, and I haven't had any problems with it coming up using this method. Hope that helps. If you learned something, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. Go make something awesome.